So we look into Bitcoin. I wait that the people come in the chat and the live stream. I I hope you can hear me. Let's look how many people come in the chat. So we look into Bitcoin. I wait that people come in the chat live stream. So live stream is also working here. Now we're looking if this welcome to the live stream. I'm today a little bit early. I I think it's a good time to make your Bitcoin analyze, yeah. So because I saw the fear and the clowns in the YouTube channel, and I said to me, these clowns they have no clue, yeah. So I have to update my community, yeah, because um, they get then wrong informations. Yeah, I think they have to inform here very clear what happens. I so I wait that many people come to the chat and to the live stream. We make here 30 minutes, yeah, live stream, and I wait that the people come to the chat, yeah, so that I can um, begin the Bitcoin prediction. I wanna go here in this 30 minutes chart, yeah. So yeah, it's a little bit early, at this time, but I thought, okay, I have to analyze this today. So, hi, you can ask me a question. Yeah, you are one of the first. So you have now the possibility to ask something. Yeah. So I think we can start. Yeah. Then the people come in this chat. If UST goes down, where would you trade BTC? Um, let's look to UST. Yeah, if it is possible. I don't know if it is possible or not. Let's look. Let's look. Ah, okay. I'm honest to you. I don't like this here. This is is going to the downside. Let's look. This is the market capitalization. What we have here. Hmm. Maybe you can tell me the name of UST, yeah, so that I can look. Great back to Australia. So do you know what will happen to Wrapped Luna? I think they will, yeah, like BTT. They separate. They make new and old Luna, and the new Luna um, will rise a little bit, and the old Luna is dying. Yeah, they take the money from you. Yeah, and now they make a new Luna, but then I think the new Luna has no potential to the upside. I think. So let's look if this if this okay. Let's look if this working here. Okay, $1. Let's look. Let's look to this. Let's look to this. They have okay. You can see from if you look to the in the history that USD is going once to 68 cent. Yeah, they said to us this is a stable coin. Yeah, let's look. Okay, then we look in Theta. No problem. The problem is I cannot find a chart, so you have to tell me the chart. So USD. So I think if I give here USD, then I have here USD in dollar. Then I see this. Yeah, so I think this is also good for us to analyze this. Yeah, but if you have okay, the best stable coin is Flex USD. We can look. Yeah, let's take this. The question for me is why this Theta is here 5 US dollar. Let me look. So I can give you a short analyze of this. Maybe you understand this. No matter if we have here line or not. For your information, this is not nice. I said this also yesterday. If you see some spikes, yeah, to the opposite side, to the downside, even if this is 0.005 cent, yeah, this is not nice. Yeah, that means if you look this from the technical point of view, we open here a huge negative channel this year. Yeah? And it can happen, yeah, that the next is here theta, that the price is going here to 91. But let's look here more inside to understand this. Let's look. So this was at the Bitcoin price, the uptrend here. This was the uptrend, and you can look to this here. If you look here to theta, this is a sign of weakness. Yeah, that means the theta, even if this a stable coin, break his uptrend. I know it's difficult to understand. Some of you would say, okay, this is a stable coin, yeah. But even stable coins have here, from a technical point of view, um, uptrends and channels, and you can see clear that this was a warning signal to us, yeah, that the price could go in lower levels. Yeah, that means that we could go in that way to the downside. Yeah, I would say if the warning is here 95, then the price could go here to 88 cent. So let's look to Flex. Flex. It's difficult to find this. Yeah, so I think if you say to me the name here, then I can look more inside. So, okay, looking to this. Okay. Also a signs of weakness. Yeah. Um, if you see this here, this is a W pattern. If you see something like that, yeah, and this W pattern coming to the end makes sense. You can see from beginning of the year we had, or we have still, the uptrend at the Bitcoin price, and you can see is exact the behavior what we see here, a W pattern, and this stable coin could go also to the downside. Yeah. So we're looking here to Bitcoin. You can ask me today a little bit short. So we want look to the Bitcoin price, the last action. So you can see from the title a lot of clouds and fear eyes at the moon boys, empty eyes. Yeah, the big YouTubers they cannot say if the price should the price go here to the downside or upside, and that's the I think the sad thing, yeah, that the big YouTubers cannot say in which direction we can go. But in my channel, you can see that we see, or you can see in my channel that we have here clear signs that the price will go here to the downside. Yeah, you can see exact here. I see this formation or explanation in no YouTube channel. Yeah, because everybody is talking about this here, this big support here, but nobody talk about this blue line. Yeah, because they have not the knowledge to understand this why we have here uptrend, why we have this triangle. You can see clear we break the structure at the Bitcoin price here. Yeah? And the Bitcoin try to make here retest, and that I cannot find in the big YouTube channels because they don't know why Bitcoin is testing here this level. Bitcoin is testing this level because the average of this construct is here and it is in this level here. So I make this in, let's look in this, let's look here orange. So yeah, you can see the test is happening because we have to go to the base from this construct. And that is the knowledge that the big YouTubers and the moon boys and the clowns not have. They not understand this. Yeah, this is the last retest of this. You have to look here. Yeah. And that's the reason why the price is rising at the moment. The price could go here even more to these levels, yeah, in direction of 229,000. Let's look more inside. And let me look. The walls can stretch this also, break this structure and to this level here. You can see negative channel is coming from here. So I would not wondering me if the price is going to these levels. Yeah, you can see the price is going here very hard to the downside, and this retest is to eliminate the people who short the Bitcoin price. Yeah, so in very detailed ranges, and in true we have here a negative channel. So we make here a red this. So in my eyes, the next is to go here and we will break here this structure to the downside. So you can see clear, but this will not hold here because you can see we touched this 1, 2, 3. This was a warning for us, and then the price will break here to the downside. Yeah. So if you want to understand this structure here, this is a inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. and we build this structure, and you can see that the negative channel, let me look. Now when you see this, the negative channel is going until 17,000 here. 16,000, 17,000. Yeah. But this is not easy to look this. Yeah. Let's look, or to recognize or find out this. So negative channel is 16,000. So if we compare this negative channel, then I would say that we have energy to go to 9,000. Yeah. But at 16,000, we will make here a retest. Maybe, I'm not sure, 7,000 to the upside. I'm here not so sure, because if we're going to 16,000, then 7,000 to the upside, that means, let me calculate this, nearly 24,000, 25. Yeah, so I think that that makes sense why we have make this test here. You understand? Yeah, test here, level, go up, down, and test this level again. So I would not really, I, I, I would not wondering me if the price is going from 16,000 to, um, let's say 7,000 plus. These are between 23,000, 24,000, something like that. Yeah, so in this area. I'm here not so sure if we reaching 24, 23 or 25,000. And then the big hammer or the big move to 9,000 begins. Yeah. So in this case, it makes sense. Yeah, because then all conditions are fulfilled. We are at the downtrend. Yeah, at the downside, and can charge our battery here at these levels. So we look into the chat. So since there are more spikes in DAE than UST, does it mean there is weaker than UST? Yes. If you see spikes to the downside, then these are signs for us, okay, danger. You can see these spikes also here. You learn here from my channel. Yeah. Let's look here. If you see something like that, this is danger here. Big danger, fat. I make this fat that you understand this. Danger, not good. Yeah. And these are signs for us, or for me, in which I can predict very well, yeah, and say very easy, very relaxed. This is not good, yeah, because you can see it triangle will break here to the downside. So let's look. Warm coin. Okay, you will look. You won't look. Let's look. Today I make a short video. Yeah, so maybe tonight here I can make again. So you can see one coin, you have to write the name. Yeah, so only to look to one coin. I don't know the name of them. Yeah, so this is not this. Maybe you have the chance to write the name. Then can I look here? Seems that I'm not right at the Flex USD. It's also not better than USD. Okay. Thank you. If you have any wishes that I can look, I'm I'm so 5, 6 minutes online. Great back yeah, to New York. Yeah. So 1 USD. Okay, and I give 1 USD. Then you can look. This is not this. So if I cannot find this, then it's a little bit difficult to analyze this. Maybe you can. I can look later. Yeah, then I can give you um, the answer. I'm asking you why you invest in this. I will not say shit coins, but these coins I never her. Yeah, so I think invest in cryptos that you see often. Yeah, India. Okay. Um, yeah. Okay. You can see. What is this in UST? I don't know. You can see this is the market capitalization. Or is this in dollar? Can you somebody tell me this? You can see I give only this. Or is this in India currency, or in which currency is this? No matter, I can also predict here this. We have no data, but it's relative also here clear. You can see this is the channel, and this makes like the Bitcoin price a retest. You can see here, yeah. And in my eyes, I see structure like this, yeah. Also dangerous structure, so that we have here energy to go here to the downside. Yeah, this is analyzed from the technical point of view. It's no matter if this is in dollar or in uh, India currency or something like that. Yeah. So we're looking here to game platform in rupee. Okay, I understand. So we make here two more, then we finish, and tonight I will go also online and live. Very interesting question. Joseph asked this. How do you identify the altcoins that will not survive? Uh, I give you here, let's look what we have here. Um, what is the altcoin that has no potential? Let's look to Atom. Let's look to Atom. So, so this is a good crypto. Yeah, it's going from $4 to $50, but you can see this has not so much energy. Yeah, you can see we test this level. Yeah, and the uptrend is not so much. Yeah? If you take this is our uptrend. Yeah, and you can see in these 2 years it's good. Yeah, but not that what we want. Yeah, you can see many structure, many tests of this uptrend. This is a megaform pattern, and this in this megaform pattern you can see we're going to the upside, yeah, and then downside in very small ranges here. Yeah, this is a signs for us that the next move here uh, is in this range here, and this is for me in my eyes too few. Yeah, if you want aggressive cryptos, yeah, the price is going from $14 to 38 is also good for people who want the small range, but for people who want the big money, this is a example. This is not interesting for me. I would never uh, recommended this in my Wolf performance. Yeah, this is not this is good to crypto, but not good for me. Yeah, the really good crypto is this here. This is hot. Here are signs. This is really crazy. Yeah, here are signs in this chart. This is crazy, and you can see it's also cheap. Yeah, this is not blah blah. That has really structures here. If this not going that, yeah, this will fly like this. Yeah, you can see 002 and you can see $1. And this is extreme hot. Yeah, I'm not talking blah blah. I see here the signs. We have here total different structure, and this structure is really crazy. Yeah, um, I saw this structure in 25 cryptos or 30 cryptos that I select, yeah, and recommended this in my Wolf XYZ Club and Wolf Performance. And these are really good signs and has really good performance. We will go here to the downside. You have the possibility to get the chilies very cheap. Yeah, maybe we could go here to these levels here 002, 003, but then the price will go out of this negative channel, more pendling sideways, yeah, sideways, and they try to frustrate you, yeah, and you say, okay, I buy this at 004, why is it not going to the upside, yeah, but one day, if we have here built our structure, this will fly. This is like the XRP chart. We can look also to the XRP chart. Then I finish, yeah. I want to only show you what is possible. Here, every blind man can see this. You have here a huge negative channel. So you can see there's a big triangle. So for me, it make no sense until 2025 August not invest here um, to invest here at XRP because I know the price will pendling here, blah blah, and so on. Here is getting interesting. Yeah. So the walls can stretch this to the upside to this level, and then the party will begin here. So you understand, yeah, the structure and so on. I would say I finish. For people who not believe in XRP, they will get frustrated. XRP will fly like here 0.001 to $3, and this is huge. People, what here is coming is huge. If you want my analysis for XRP, I can say this to you. The price of XRP will fly to $50. This is my prediction here. That is what I looking. But if I look to the chart, then I see this. Yeah, but I cannot tell this every time. This is a exception here that you understand what we see and what not. So I finish the live stream. I go now. I go now eat a pizza. Yeah. So see you later in the evening and have a nice day.